evening to all our viewers. Here are the news items for the day. After the induction of the South Shillong MLA SANBOR SHULLAI into the cabinet, the state government had allotted various portfolios to the new cabinet minister. A few days after SANBOR SHULLAI had been sworn in as the new cabinet minister of the MDA government, he had been allotted charge of several departments of the state that include the Departments of Art and Culture, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Home, Passport and Prisons, and Labour. In addition to the various portfolios held by the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prestun Tinsong, the Health and Family Welfare Department has also been allotted to his charge.